Welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today, guys, we're going to discuss personality number 4 and also the master number 22. Alongside, we have a long list today, personality number 13, which is a karmic debt. So let's get right into this. So 4 is represented by Uranus or Rahu. This is, of course, a very chaotic sort of number and planet. A lot of random changes, very knowledgeable, research-oriented, and very logical and down-to-earth. So with the basic traits of the 4, if you just have a personality number 4, people will view you as stable, organized, well-connected person, and somebody that they can rely upon. That's the most important thing you should know, is that if you're a 13, 22, 4, it doesn't matter. People view you as somebody that can be relied upon and trusted. You need to use this to your advantage. This is a very advantageous personality number to have. I would say it's one of the best ones to have, not in matters of luck, but in matters of business. The thing about it in business, you want to have people that you can work with, that you know that you can trust, and that you know that can be relied upon with heavy duties. The 4 is the master with responsibility. 4s are people that like to organize things, are very meticulous, and are known for it. You're going to project a natural aura of being all of that, even if you're not necessarily that person. That's the thing with the personality number, though, is that you don't necessarily have to be that type of person, but that's the aura that you're going to omit. So you need to just use that to your own advantage. To move right on, though, that's the basic of the 4. With the 13, it's a bit more complicated. People will view you as reliable. However, you better be, because it's a karmic debt number. So that means that if you have the 13 there, you may have a bit of a problem with people trusting you. The reason being is people may look at you and say, yes, you are trustworthy, but however, your talk may not meet the walk. And the 13 is a karmic debt for communication, because there's the 1, which is selfishness, then the 3, which stands for like communication, writing, etc. Then you get the 4, which is all about organization, bring things down to earth. If you're able to use the positive polarity of the 13 in regards to a personality number, you're going to be able to have really great relationships. And I'd bet that most of your relationships and like friendships will just be viewed on more of a business perspective. And people will look at you, and if they have a business running, they'll ask you for your advice, or they'll literally want to partner up with you. That's why I said the 4 is considered bad luck, but in my eyes, if you know how to use it, it's good luck. And then finally, you have the 22, which is the master builder archetype. So people will view you, I have this personality number, and people tend to even view me as like larger than life type of energy. Like I even get comments on some of my videos where people are like, oh yeah, your energy just comes right through the screen. And it's like, okay. I do have confidence, and if you have a personality number 22, people may view you as having a lot of confidence, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you do. It would really depend on how your life has gone, nature versus nurture, of course, your psychology, and most importantly, what your life path and expression number are. That's going to really tell how your confidence levels are and how those planets and numbers are going to interconnect. But if you have the 22, understand that you are going to be viewed upon as larger than life, kind of like a superhero. And you need to use that to your advantage for sure. What I recommend for that is to always make sure you keep yourself organized and meet the expectations of the 22. If a master number shows anywhere in your chart, whether it's personality, soul, expression, life path, birth number, even that as well, I would say it's there as well, subtly. You need to meet its expectations, or you're going to get destroyed by it. It's really a kill or be killed type of thing here. Especially if you have a 22 and you have an 8 or a 4 again in your chart, those are very fatalistic numbers, meaning they're very karmic. And you need to make sure that if you have those numbers in your chart, that you're meeting their expectations and you're either paying off your karmic debt, or if it's a master number, that you're meeting its expectations by bringing yourself to that next level, by always self-improving and having a grand purpose. The 22 wants you to do things on a grand scale, and your personality is going to resemble that. People are just going to naturally view you as somebody who's meant for big things. So you might as well just do that. Even if your life path is something that's, every life path is important, so I can't say less than it. But if your life path is per se a 6, where you're just supposed to be a harmonizer, a nurturer, or stay at home, if you have a personality number 22, you still got to get out there and do something larger than life. Maybe you got to use your music or your artistic skills and utilize the personality number 22 to make the connections that you need to get big in the music world. So that's what it really comes down to, is understanding how the numbers play out in your chart and then using them to your advantage. But that would be it for the personality number 4. Of course, we covered 13 and 22 as well. If you guys do have any questions regarding any of them whatsoever, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. But aside from that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with personality number 5, which will be very exciting. We'll get into karmic number 14 as well. All right, guys, so thank you again for watching. Any questions at all, hit me up on Instagram. It's going to be Shem's Universe 8.0, or you can hit me up on my email, shem_roy@hotmail.com. Aside from that, guys, have a great day. Use these cheat codes to your advantage, guys, please. Peace.